Right. Ooh, it's hot in here. Where do they keep the air?
So this is the kitchen.
Kitchen.
Oh. Does it have bathroom?
Oh, they have that. Hit that. Pantry. Closet.
That goes way down. So dining room.
Dining area. Living area. What does she have the air set up? The heat. Oh my God.
Now this one would need paint and carpets.
Oh, and carpets. Okay.
Oh.
Lid time. It's like a storage closet out there.
Mhm.
Right. Right. Oh yeah.
Well, you could try to clean it for an outlet.
Oh,
Ooh.
Lordy, Sybil. Oh, how could anyone?
This is the one she liked. This has the full back. Wow.
Oh, I can't breathe. And by the way, this is Sawgrass without a garage.
Yeah, and it has a window seat that she liked.
Right.
And then you have two closets.
Two closets. 1, 2. Oh my God.
You can take what's in there.
Oop, go ahead.
Go on.
Oh, and this is the one with the laundry upstairs too.
It's locked.
Oh. Okay.
But it has another bedroom just that.
Right.
Washer dryer.
Yeah, but where is it?
It doesn't come with it.
Well, that's fine. What does she use to wash her clothes?
I don't know.
Okay, the other bedroom's locked, but it's similar to this one.
Okay.
There's another full
Well,
bath in there.
it just doesn't have the windows.
Right, it's got the full bath.
And it has the full bath, right?
So.
Now I think this.
That's that. All right.